Hello everyone, Natalie here from SERPWizz, and before we get started on our topic for today, I just want to give a quick mention about our lead generation tool over at SERPWizz.com. So here you have the landing page for SERPWizz, of course, and if you scroll down a bit, you'd see here that there's a free guide that can show you how SERPWizz is generating agencies an additional $3,437 per month on autopilot. So if you're interested in learning how that works, then just leave your first name and your email and tick this box to agree to be added to the SERPWizz mailing list and click on the Find Out How button. So with that being said, let's now proceed to the topic for today's video, which is still all about SE ranking and their tools. And today it is going to be all about the keyword grouper. So the keyword grouper, as a definition, is a tool that automatically buckets keywords into groups based on their SERP result similarity. Keywords are put together into clusters if they get similar results in Google's top 10 SERPs or search engine results page. Keyword grouping allows you to distribute keywords wisely across a website's page, which is particularly important for SEO and contextual advertising. So this would work perfectly along with the other SEO tools that are here, that are available in SE ranking. So to utilize this tool, all you need to do is enter the report title, and then over here at the search engine settings section, just choose your preferred search engine. So for this one, the only thing that's showing up is Google. And then select your country. Now if we're going to be utilizing this tool fully, we're going to select the UK because that is where we are based, but you can absolutely choose any other countries depending on your location. And you can also enter your specific location, city, town, or postcode, and of course the Google interface language, and we're going to stick with English. And here you have the keyword grouping accuracy. So it is the minimum number of URLs in the SERPs required to group search queries. So all you have to do is pick your preference amongst this, but I'm just going to stick with 3. And then here, method just shows the level of method that they're going to use. So it's either soft or hard. And if you want to know how that works or what that specific method does, then just head on over to SE ranking, sign up for an account, and utilize this tool. And you can see here actually a brief explanation, or rather quite an explanation for how this specific method works. And then for search volume check, you can either choose do not check the search volume, check the search volume, and upload the search volume independently. But do note that search volume will be checked for all the search queries and an extra charge of $0.005 per query. So this is another thing that you have to look out for when doing your tasks here in SE ranking, because certain tasks or tools or features have corresponding values to them, or charges rather. So here you can also, on the text box, you can enter your search queries. You can type in manually, or you can either upload or import the files that are XLS, XLS, X, and CXV, depending on what you have. And do note that the cost per query is this much, and the cost for the search volume check per query is this much. So you will be charged depending on how much query you have and the search volume check per query that you will be doing. So because there are charges, I won't be pushing through with this tool, but I just wanted to still give you an idea, just like the previous tools that we have discussed, just an idea of how this works and what you can expect from it. And also to give you key points to remember, especially with the payments and everything like that. things to keep in mind when using SE ranking in general. So that's it actually for this tool. Actually, Keyword Grouper is the last on their main tools and features. So I'm just gonna, for the next video, maybe we'll just explore a bit more on the other sections of SE ranking and see what else we can get from it. But for today's video, that is it, guys. Hope you guys give this video a like and do comment any takeaways that you may have, and of course subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to visit SERPWizz.com for the lead generation tool that I mentioned earlier. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next video.